Hey everyone! Today I am going to draw and color beautiful sharks step by step. Let's go start drawing. So friends, let's start drawing. First, I will draw the front side of this shark. That is the face. I will draw it exactly like this. I drew a line. Next, my little friends, I am drawing the tail of this shark. I'll put it together exactly like this. I will now draw the two upper wings. And drawing another line down, drawing a wing. Now I'm drawing the front side of this. Then I'll draw its teeth. Drawing a beautiful eye. Great! Now I'm thickening the outline so that this looks nice. Now I will color it. Yellow color. I'm adding yellow color wherever necessary. Friends, please keep looking at this. I hope you like it. Sky blue color. Then I give this color to the remaining areas beautifully, and this color is the final color. Drawing is complete. If you like our drawing, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you later in the video. Bye-bye.